Hey guys, we are winding down this 12 days of Christmas KAL. So we are up to day number 8. Oh, is that your 8?
Yes.
Okay, great. Day number 8. So the winner for day number 8 is Beth Thor Knits, post number 91. Congratulations, Beth, on Ravelry. So let me show you what you've won for your prizes. You will be receiving this beautiful yarn from Auden Wools, and it is in their colorway, I hope you can see that, in their colorway Weekend, and it is 75% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, and 15% nylon. So soft. You can tell it's got cashmere in it.
Ooh, that's soft.
It is 439 yards, so I hope that you make something absolutely lovely with this. I love the speckles of like dark burgundies in it, so that's an awesome colorway. You will also be receiving what everyone else has been receiving, your 6 count of crochet needles. Hopefully you can use that to pick up stitches, or you may be a crocheter as well. So that's one prize. You will also be receiving the October Knit Crate catalog, and in this catalog there is a series of patterns and beautiful items that you can crochet and or knit. So I hope that you are going to enjoy that. And then last but not least, you will also receive a digital row count. Digital row counter, and that way you can use that if you need an additional counter for your projects. And your project bag is going to be, drum roll please, Jordan. What does hers say, Jordan?
One day or day one, you decide.
Okay, I hope you're going to enjoy these items, Beth. Please get in contact with me via Ravelry and we will get those prizes sent out to you. So we will see you the next day for winner number 9.
Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.